Truck bed extenders are a great addition to any truck owner's arsenal. There are many products available to choose truck bed extenders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best truck bed extenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Maxhall 70231 Hitch Mount Pickup Truck Bed Extender. The Maxhall 70231 Hitch Mount Pickup Truck Bed Extender is designed to extend your truck bed for carrying longer payloads, with an adjustable length and width that provides versatility for many different applications. It features 4 quick-release clevis pins for easy assembly and disassembly, a red flag and reflective tape for added visibility and safety, and foldable sidearms that create supports for a portable work area. Number 2. Mawkins 750 pounds Cap Truck Bed Extender. Mawkins Bed Extender is a versatile truck accessory that extends your truck bed to carry up to 750 pounds. Its 2-in-1 design allows horizontal and vertical use, fitting various trucks and loads. The extender is made of heavy-duty steel, easy to install, with quick-release pins. Safety features include a red flag and reflective tape for visibility. A hitch stabilizer reduces noise and wobble. Enjoy more space for hauling longer items like pipes or boats with ease and safety. Number 3. Truck Bed Extender 2-in-1 Design Foldable Kayak Hitch Extender. The Grand Road Truck Bed Extender is a versatile accessory for truck owners. With its 2-in-1 design, you can use it horizontally or vertically, giving you flexibility in how you extend your truck bed. It can also be used on top of an SUV, providing additional space for your cargo. The adjustable height and width allow you to carry items of various sizes, such as ladders, racks, canoes, kayaks, long pipes, and lumber. Made of high-quality alloy steel, this truck bed extender is built to last and has a load-bearing capacity of up to 850 pounds. It is easy to assemble, fold, and store, making it a convenient tool for long-distance loading. Additionally, it comes with reflective tapes for increased visibility and security. With the Grand Road Truck Bed Extender, you can easily transport your belongings with confidence. Number 4. Ecotric Truck Bed Extender Pickup Truck Bed Hitch Mount Extension Rack. The Ecotric Truck Bed Extender Hitch Mount Rack is made of durable steel and fits into 2-inch square hitch receivers, with adjustable width and height to accommodate various loads. It can hold up to 750 pounds and comes with reflective tape and flag for extra safety. The 2-in-1 design allows for both horizontal and vertical use, and installation is quick and easy with no tools required. Number 5. Vever Truck Bed Extender. The Vever Truck Bed Extender is designed to enhance your pickup truck's cargo capacity. With an adjustable length from 51.6 to 64 inches, it easily fits various truck models, ensuring you can maximize your loading space. Its 180 degrees flip design adds an extra 21 inches of space when extended, making it ideal for transporting larger items like ladders or kayaks. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers industrial strength support while remaining lightweight. The simple installation process, which requires drilling, allows you to set it up quickly and securely, providing peace of mind while on the road.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.